What if I told you the secret to building undeniable wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Not just a little smarter, but exponentially smarter. Imagine for a moment a world where your creativity isn't bottlenecked by time, skill, or even traditional resources. A world where powerful digital assistants are ready, right now, to multiply your income, amplify your reach, and sculpt the financial future you've only dreamed of. This isn't a fantasy. This isn't science fiction. This is the present. And the question isn't if you can unlock this power, but when you will. Because tonight on the AI Dollar, I'm pulling back the curtain on the best AI apps for building serious wealth. And trust me, you're going to want to know every single one. For years, the promise of AI felt distant, reserved for tech giants and Silicon Valley elite. But something profound has shifted. The tools that were once theoretical are now at your fingertips. They're accessible, they're intuitive, and they are, without a doubt, the most powerful wealth-building accelerants the average person has ever encountered. Forget the hustle culture that leaves you drained. Forget trading hours for dollars. We're talking about leveraging intelligence, artificial intelligence, to create income streams that flow while you sleep, while you live, while you thrive. This isn't just about making an extra buck. This is about building real, sustainable financial freedom. The journey we're embarking on today isn't just a list of apps. It's a blueprint, a step-by-step revelation of how everyday people, freelancers, digital workers, even those just starting out, can plug into this revolution and start seeing tangible results. And we're starting with the ultimate chameleon of content creation, an AI that has redefined what's possible. Our first stop on this wealth-building odyssey is the undisputed heavyweight champion of AI text generation, ChatGPT. Now, you've probably heard of it, but are you truly harnessing its power to fill your bank account? Most people are barely scratching the surface. Think of ChatGPT as your personal, infinitely knowledgeable content factory. Its true power lies in its versatility across countless monetization angles. Use case: freelance content creation. Imagine a client needs 10 blog post ideas on sustainable living. In the past, that's hours of brainstorming, research. With ChatGPT, in seconds you have not just ideas, but compelling ideas. Now take it a step further. Your client needs a 500-word article on the beginner's guide to composting. And there it is, a well-structured, informative draft. Your workflow? Prompt, refine, edit for your unique voice and expertise. You've just delivered a high-quality piece in a fraction of the time. What used to take you 4 to 5 hours now takes 1 to 2. At $50 an hour, that's $200 to $50 profit per article. Scale that across multiple clients, multiple articles a week, the income potential explodes. This isn't about replacing you, it's about supercharging you. Monetization angle, digital product creation, ebooks. Want to create and sell an ebook on mastering digital marketing in 30 days? ChatGPT can generate chapter outlines, write entire sections, even brainstorm marketing copy for your sales page. Think about the sheer volume of content you can now produce. An ebook that once took months now takes weeks or even days. And once it's created, it's pure passive income. Set it and forget it. Monetization angle, YouTube automation scripting. Planning to launch a faceless YouTube channel? ChatGPT is your scriptwriter. Give it a topic, a target audience, and a desired tone, and watch it craft engaging narratives that hook viewers. The next step? That leads us directly to the visual revolution. An AI that transforms mere words into breathtaking imagery. But before we unveil that, imagine the sheer volume of content you could be creating, the sheer value you could be delivering, all powered by this one incredible tool. Keep that thought simmering, because the synergy between these apps is where the real magic happens. If ChatGPT is the voice of your wealth-building empire, then MidJourney and Leonardo AI are its eyes. These are not just image generators, they are visual alchemists, capable of transforming your wildest imaginations into stunning realities. And the income streams they unlock are as diverse as the images they create. Use case: digital art and print on demand. Imagine designing unique t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or posters. With MidJourney, you simply describe your vision, and in moments you have artwork that would have cost hundreds, if not thousands, from a human artist. Then, take these incredible visuals to platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Connect them to a print-on-demand service, and suddenly, you have a digital product business. Zero inventory, pure profit. Workflow example: from idea to income. Brainstorm. Use ChatGPT to generate unique product ideas or niche concepts. Visualize. Take those ideas to MidJourney or Leonardo AI. Experiment with prompts to create captivating visuals. Leonardo AI in particular offers fantastic control and consistency for specific styles. Mock up and list. Use tools like Placeit or Canva. which integrates AI features to create realistic mock-ups of your designs on products. Sell. Upload to your chosen print-on-demand platform. This workflow allows you to launch dozens, even hundreds, of unique products in the time it takes most people to design one. The income potential is only limited by your creativity and consistent effort. Use case: YouTube automation visuals. Remember that YouTube channel we discussed? High-quality visuals are crucial for engagement. MidJourney and Leonardo AI can create custom thumbnails, background art, even character designs for animated segments. No more scouring stock photo sites. Every visual is unique, captivating, and perfectly aligned with your brand. This level of visual polish instantly elevates your content, driving more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more ad revenue or affiliate sales. But what if you need more than just static images? What if you need to organize, strategize, and truly automate the entire operation? That's where our next AI companion steps in, acting as the intelligent backbone of your entire wealth-building strategy. You'll be shocked at how much time and mental energy it can free up. Building wealth isn't just about creating, it's about organizing, strategizing, and optimizing. And for that, there is no tool quite like Notion AI. If you already use Notion for project management or note-taking, prepare to have your mind blown by its integrated AI capabilities. It transforms a powerful workspace into an intelligent co-pilot for your entire financial journey. Use case: business planning and brainstorming. Starting a new freelancing service? Developing a new digital product line? Notion AI can help you outline your business plan, generate SWOT analyses, or even brainstorm pricing strategies. It's like having a strategic consultant at your fingertips, available 24/7. This dramatically cuts down on the initial planning phase, allowing you to move from idea to execution with unprecedented speed. Use case: content calendar automation for YouTube blog. Maintaining a consistent content schedule is crucial for growth. Notion AI can help you brainstorm video topics, generate script outlines, and even draft social media posts to promote your content, all within your existing content calendar. Imagine you're researching a complex topic for a video. Paste your research notes into Notion and ask Notion AI to summarize the key points or identify potential arguments. This isn't just note-taking, it's intelligent synthesis. This means less time sifting through information and more time creating valuable content. Workflow example: AI-powered affiliate marketing content hub. Research niche: use ChatGPT for keyword research and trending topics in your chosen niche. Organize in Notion. Create a database in Notion for affiliate products you want to promote. Include fields for product description, affiliate link, commission rate, and potential content ideas. Generate review outlines. Use Notion AI to draft outlines for product reviews or comparison articles based on the product data. Draft content. Move to ChatGPT to flesh out the review content. Create visuals. Use MidJourney or Leonardo AI for product images or banners to accompany your articles. This integrated workflow allows you to become an affiliate marketing powerhouse, producing high-quality, conversion-optimized content at scale. Notion AI acts as the central nervous system, ensuring every piece of content, every strategy, every idea is organized and optimized for maximum financial gain. But there's another level to this. What if you could automate entire processes? That's where we shift from individual apps to interconnected ecosystems, and the potential for true passive income becomes startlingly clear. The true power of AI for wealth building isn't just in using one app, it's in orchestrating them. It's about creating an ecosystem where each AI tool plays a vital role, working in harmony to generate income streams that require minimal ongoing effort from you. This is where YouTube automation, advanced digital product creation, and hyper-targeted affiliate marketing truly come alive. The YouTube automation powerhouse. Imagine a faceless YouTube channel in a profitable niche, say personal finance tips or emerging technologies. Topic and script. ChatGPT generates compelling video topics and full scripts, including intros, body content, and calls to action. Voiceover. 11 Labs, or similar AI voice generators, takes that script and transforms it into incredibly realistic, natural-sounding voiceovers. No need for expensive voice artists or your own microphone setup. Visuals and editing, Pictory AI, or tools like InVideo AI, steps in. You feed it your script and voiceover, and it intelligently pulls relevant stock footage, images, and music, syncing everything perfectly. For custom visuals or unique B-roll, you're back to MidJourney or Leonardo AI. Optimization. Use AI tools within Pictory or third-party SEO AI tools to optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags for maximum discoverability. This entire process, from idea to uploaded video, can be done in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. You could be launching multiple videos a week, building an audience, and generating ad revenue, affiliate commissions from linked products, or even selling your own digital products mentioned in the videos. This isn't just content creation, it's a content machine. Advanced digital product creation, beyond ebooks. Consider creating online courses or premium template packs. Course outline and content. ChatGPT outlines entire course modules, generates lesson content, quizzes, and even marketing emails for your launch. Visual assets, MidJourney or Leonardo. AI creates stunning course graphics, presentation slides, and promotional images. Course platform integration. Use Notion AI to organize your course content, track student progress, if applicable, and manage feedback. Marketing automation. Connect your marketing emails, drafted by ChatGPT, to an email automation platform for drip campaigns, nurturing leads generated from your YouTube channel or blog. This is how you build true passive income streams. Create once, sell forever. And with AI handling the heavy lifting of content generation and even some of the marketing, your effort-to-income ratio shifts dramatically in your favor. The final twist, the AI prompt engineer. Here's a secret twist some are already capitalizing on. You can sell the very prompts that generate these incredible outputs. People are willing to pay for expertly crafted prompts that consistently produce high-quality results from tools like MidJourney or ChatGPT. Create a collection of niche-specific prompt packs and sell them on platforms like Gumroad. It's a meta income stream, earning from the tools themselves. The common thread through all of this? Speed, scale, and unprecedented access to capabilities that were once out of reach. But as powerful as these tools are, they are simply that, tools. The ultimate key, the missing piece, is you. Your vision, your willingness to embrace this new era, and your commitment to actually take action. You've seen the power. You've glimpsed the potential. The barrier to entry for building significant income streams has never been lower. For too long, the financial future has felt out of reach for so many. The algorithms, the gatekeepers, the sheer amount of work required. But AI has rewritten the rules. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich smart. It's about building a life where your time is your own, where your financial security isn't dictated by a boss or an hourly wage, but by your own ingenuity and the power of these incredible digital allies. The information you've received today is a roadmap, a secret unveiled. But knowledge alone won't transform your life. Action will. The moment you begin to experiment, to build, to launch, that's the moment your financial reality begins to shift. Don't let this simply be another video you watched. Let it be the catalyst, the turning point. If you're ready to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start building it, if you're ready to step into this new era of wealth creation, then you belong with the AI dollar. This channel isn't just about showing you what's possible. It's about guiding you step by step through the actual process. It's about equipping you with the knowledge, the workflows, and the unwavering belief that you can harness this power. So if this resonated with you, if you felt that spark of possibility, then don't just leave it here. Subscribe to the AI dollar right now. Join our growing community of AI wealth builders. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another breakthrough, another strategy, another secret. Because your financial revolution starts now. And we'll be here, every step of the way, showing you how to build your AI dollar empire. The future of wealth isn't coming, it's here. And with the right tools, the right knowledge, and the right community, there's no limit to what you can achieve. This is the iDollar, and your journey to financial abundance has just begun. See you in the next one.